we are going to basically get hands-on with myself, Mike, Ollie, Sam and Mark, and do some real installer training. Well, hello and welcome back to actual season 2 of Only Panels episode 1. And we've got a really exciting topic for us coming back that we want to cover. But first, in the interim of where we have been for a couple of weeks, if not months, where have you been, Mike?
Been here, there, and everywhere. You know me, up and down the country, on a roof, off a roof, on a roof.
And basically, you find Mike on a roof or on a motorway, and that's the two places you'll find him.
Yeah, to be fair, I have to actually check Instagram to remember where I'm tracking.
When we get home.
Someone actually asked me yesterday, and I was like, what's that?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, it was. Yeah. So my Instagram story tells me. Yeah, been very much a cold and wet winter in the bleak northeast.
Mark bleak up here. It's been glorious sunshine.
Oh, that's it. Well, you know,
then it's been freezing cold again.
It shines on the righteous. So, but yeah, it's been a cold, long winter. But we've seen a bit of blue skies of late, and we are back with season 2, episode 1. And I think we want to cover a really important topic for our first one back.
Yeah, installer training.
Installer training with me.
Yeah.
You. Ollie from Zinc Electrical, Sam from Oval,
and Mark,
and we'll call him the wizard,
the legend,
the wizarding legend that is Mark Allison at Apprentice 1-to-1
and Powersonic.
And Powersonic, yes.
No, he is running an installer training day. You've probably seen the posts out there on these LinkedIn, Instagram. He's running an installer focused training day, non-accredited training, because we're going above and beyond what the accredited training will do.
You're getting sandwiches.
Yeah. But more importantly, we're getting actual hands-on, aren't we?
We are.
We've literally got roofs that are prepared.
Yep.
That we're able to rip apart.
Tile roofs.
Yeah. Slate roofs.
I'm going to take some rosemaries with me.
Rosemaries. Yeah. Realistically, nearly every type of roof style you should come across, we should be able to cover some of that in the training.
Yeah. In domestic. So I don't think we're going to be able to cover any trap and stuff like that. We might be able to. Might see if I can get hold of some mini rated time. But we are going to basically get hands-on with myself, Mike, Ollie, Sam and Mark, and do some real installer training on mounting into roofs and how to do hooks. Set out your hooks, set out your panels, and make sure you've got the correct spacings to the end of your rails.
Yeah.
Make sure you're in your clamping zones.
Yeah.
For your panels.
What are clamping zones?
They are on the sides of the panel.
These are the sort of things we're going to cover.
This is it, isn't it?
So these are the questions you have.
Correct. So we can definitely reference back to data sheets and stuff like that of how to find
the information.
Your clamping zones on your panels, 100%, whether it's on the long side or the short side. Always clamp on the long side. Even stuff like, I'd like to take some of you upstairs.
Well, that's an offer.
That is an offer. And do stuff like working your way through the ENA Connect Direct portal.
The G99 application.
Complete G99 applications, complete G98 applications. Being able to find the ENA numbers for inverters.
Which you need then to put on the application.
Correct. It's all stuff that the conventional courses don't teach you.
There was none of that when I did the solar course. Although it was a very good course, there was none of the hands-on approach.
No, that wasn't for me either.
I was fortunate that I'd done some of the hands-on before I did the solar course.
Right.
But there were people on the course who had never been hands-on, and it really confused them.
No, I didn't. I'd never stepped foot on a roof until the first roof I did. And there's still bits, unfortunately, it's my own house. And there's still bits I look at it on there now and go,
I wish I'd done it different.
I wish I'd done it different.
Yeah.
And it's stuff like getting your rails level so there's no steps in your panels and stuff like that. Although 6 years down the line, I look at it and go, back then I thought it was the best install I'd.
Yeah.
Well, it was the best install.
Yeah.
I've only done one.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's about us giving back to an industry that has offered me so much as friends such as Mike and Mark and Sam, that I want to give back and give some of my time to help you on your own renewables journey. Sounds like a DMH ad now. We'll take you on your own renewables journey of don't be daunted by the roof work.
Mm.
Because if you're a good electrician, which I don't believe anybody sets out to be bad, but
No.
they do, you want to go into that roof armed with some knowledge rather than no knowledge. And I want you to succeed in an industry that I love and has given me so much. So 23rd of April,
23rd of April in Driffield.
Driffield. There's no direct road to it. You have got to come by.
Yeah.
There's no good way of getting to Driffield, unfortunately.
Get near York and across.
Yeah,
Is that the best way to describe?
That's the best way. Yeah, go by 1806.
Mm.
But yeah, Driffield, 23rd of April.
M1, M18.
Something along those lines.
Do.
Sandwiches. There is a link in the description of where to book your place on that course, or reach out to myself on the DMH Instagrams, or
almost
Mike, or even the Only Panels Instagram. Everybody is super friendly. We are only here to help you and take you on that journey into feeling comfortable.
Absolutely. I feel it's going to be one of these days where no question is a silly question, because this is aimed at people who are getting into it, or maybe been in it short while, or maybe not even done the roof works. Maybe you've wired the inverter sides, maybe.
This is it.
And, so yeah, there's no silly questions. It's anything you want to cover on that day will be available to go off and do that specifically. You need that bit of extra time.
Solar Edge design tools.
Yeah.
Want to look at them? Quite happy to sit down on a computer, go through Solar Edge design tools, easy PV, drawing schematics, cover it all. We are here as installers to help you guys.
That's it.
I think that's ultimately the aim of the day.
Yeah. So the biggest thing you've got to do is get yourself there.
Yes.
But once you're there, all that information is. And I don't know anywhere else you can get hold of all these installers in one place and get the benefit of, like yourselves, Sam, Ollie, and get them all in one place and have access to all their knowledge.
To be honest, I might start asking questions.
Well, yeah, I think I'll.
And there might be some stupid questions if I ask them.
Yeah, we might have to do it for this.
Yeah. But no, please do come down on the 23rd of April.
Yeah.
There's a link in the description to book your place. I believe it is £299,
including
the VAT.
Yeah.
There is tea, there is coffee, there is sandwiches. We're here to help you.
Yeah.
And also support Apprentice 1-1 and Mark in his adventure into his training centre.
That's it, because I think it's important to say the reason Mark's gone into this is because he so cares about the industry.
There's nobody cares more about than Mark Allison.
And the amount of content that he puts out there.
Correct.
So yeah, it's been great and an honour to be asked to go and help deliver this training. I'm really excited about it. There's nothing else out there like this. And even if you can't make this date this time, there is going to be other dates. So register your interest.
I think we're doing every 6 or 8 weeks.
I think we're going to try and aim for every 6 to 8 weeks.
Yeah.
So yeah, register your interest, even if you can't make this date, and then we'll let you know about future dates.
100%.
Yeah.
So there we go. Welcome back to Only Panels. We're here for season 2.
Yeah, we've got some exciting guests.
We have.
Actually. I think next week we've got Sarah Wallace from Longy Solar, which I believe you took a little trip out to China. Is that right?
I have. I have just 3 weeks ago come back from China, where we visited Longy. We visited Solace and seen their new home battery storage. And we also were with SIG Energy for their opening ceremony of their new factory.
Yeah.
So I was at the new factory opening for SIG Energy, and also have seen the new home battery, the SIG Energy Neo.
Ooh.
Yeah.
I've not heard about that yet.
Okay, so there's a new battery coming from SIG Energy called the Neo. It is a cheaper, more entry level. So we might discuss that in a couple of weeks' time on the channel. And also we are probably going to get into plugging solar at some point.
I think we're going to have to cover that one.
We are going to have to cover that one. That will be, I think, episode 3. So yeah, head down there wherever you listen to this or watch this. subscribe, and we are back for season 2.
Season 2, yeah. And thanks for all the support in season 1, because absolutely blown away by the support with that.
It was good.
Yeah.
It was good.
Really good guests on that.
We did.
Yeah.
There was a lot like Phil from
At
Vanderbilt,
the back, yeah.
Aaron, who I missed.
Yeah.
So
I'm very surprised you. That's the one guest I'm surprised you missed.
yeah, Aaron is a very good friend of mine, and I've seen Aaron in a couple of weeks' time at Solar and Storage.
Solar and Storage, yeah, we got Solar and Storage.
Are you a Solar and Storage?
I don't know. I've not done Solar and Storage.
Okay, so Mike's at Solar and Storage London. We'll both be at Solar and Storage London.
Yeah.
And I think I'm doing thank God for that. I think I'm doing a talk on behalf of Anchor with some products that they're announcing at Solar and Storage.
I believe they've got some new stuff coming.
They have some very exciting stuff, and I look forward very much to telling you more about that in the future. We'll try and get Aaron. We'll try and get Aaron on the sofa and just telling you more about the products.
Definitely. But yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really does help, and we really appreciate it. And we'll see you on the next one. Thank you very much.
See you later.
Sunrise on the roof, another day, another install. Only panels coming through, we're standing tall. Magic Mike and Dan with the hints and tips, yeah. Got that panel vision fresh on your lips, yeah. Only panels, we got the power. Only panels, top of the tower. For the real installers, yeah, you already know the vibe. Onlypanels.com, let's go, we're live.